stocks under $10 can be one of the best ways to start your investment. These companies are usually making progress, and have the potential to make growth in near term. Moreover, considering the overall market, we are facing inflation, high interest rates, global supply issues, and wars. In these circumstances, the market would remain bear. So, as an investor, you would opt for safer options and look for growth in the long term. In these times, investing in stocks under $10 can be the best way to keep your cash growing. Usually, investors do tend to define the scope of a company through its share price, but it is not. Rather, the market value is more good indicator of how big a company is. We have some exciting and well-developed companies trading under $10. We have compiled the 5 best stocks under $10 to invest in now. But before moving forward, if you're watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification button. Without further ado, let's start. First stock under $10 on our list is AbCellera Biologics, having the ticker ABCL. AbCellera Biologics is a growing biotech that develops antibody discovery platform. ABCL stock is currently trading at its all-time lows, and it will certainly look to pick its price from around its current trading zone. There's a reason for that, and that's AbCellera's profile. In its corporate overview on February 10th, the company highlighted that it has 35 discovery partners and 69 programs started. On top of that, AbCellera is working on 5 molecules in the clinic, and 155 cumulative programs are under contract. These seems to be a strong point for the biotech going into the long term. Moreover, in its recent first quarter of 2022, the company posted strong outcomes. The total revenue was $317 million, compared to $203 million a year ago. The earnings per share came at 54 cents, surpassing consensus estimate of 47 cents per share. This shows that AbCellera is making strong improvements, and it's just the beginning of 2022. Moreover, the biotech added 6 new programs during the quarter, adding cumulative total to 84. AbCellera has also expanded its strategic multi-target discovery collaboration with Empirico. Both the companies are working to discovering and finding lead candidate antibodies against the targeted diseases. As per the agreement, AbCellera has the option to co-develop each therapeutic program, and take 50% of ownership stake. This is a great deal, and if the developments move towards positive outcomes, ABCL will pump hard. So, ABCL is a great stock to buy under $10 at the moment. Second stock under $10 on our list is Nikola Corporation, having the ticker NKLA. Nikola Corporation is a growing company that operates through 2 segments: trucks and energy. The company is known for its technology innovator and integrator that works to develop energy and transportation solutions. The company holds a lot of potential, as it is operating in the EV sector and making good progress. Based on the first quarter outcomes of 2022, things are looking good for the company. Nikola has made notable progress, and secured good proportion of their battery and important component supplies for rest of the year. For the second quarter, the company projects the revenue between $15 million and $18 million. While, the truck delivery is expected to be around 30 and 50. As per Refinitiv, analysts are expecting Nikola's revenue to be around $11.5 million. Nikola have enough supplies for this year, to meet truck delivery target of between 300 and 500 tray battery electric trucks. During the first quarter, the company made revenue of $1.9 million, from the sale of 10 Nikola mobile charging trailers. The best part is that Nikola has secured the supplies side, considering global crisis in supply management. The company is growing, and we can expect it to continue its growth for years to come. NKLA can be a good investment option under $10. Before we move on to the next stock, we'd like you to know that we offer a morning newsletter to our email subscribers. Prior to the market opening, we send our subscribers an informative email about which stocks are moving or about to move. You will get an overview of key earnings reports, recent insider transactions, analyst upgrades, and downgrades. To take advantage of this offer, you can find the link in the description box. If you're still with us, it means you've liked our video. Do click on the like button to show your support. Third stock under $10 on our list is Farfetch, having the ticker FTCH. Farfetch, through its global subsidiaries, provides online marketplace for luxury fashion goods. FTCH has much potential, and is a stock that is currently trading around its all-time lows. We can expect things to get better for the company, and give you good returns going forward. The company is selling high fashion online. The company also has its own retail stores, and provides back-end service for luxury fashion industry, that is worth $110 billion. In this high-end market, the company has been generating good amount of profit margins. During the first quarter of 2022, the company posted revenues of $514.8 million, which increased by 6.1% year-over-year. The gross profit margin was around 44.8%, and the digital platform order contribution margin was around 32.7%. While the profit after tax was $728.8 million. Despite a sound performance, the company missed its estimates, and that was primarily due to the macro events in China, and ceasing operations in Russia. However, the company's core business remains strong, which in our view will key on driving growth in the future. The stock has a huge upside, and analysts expect the stock to rise back to $70 in the long term. Buying FTCH under $10 can be a bargain that can make you millionaire. Fourth stock on our list is Adaptive Biotechnologies, having the ticker ADPT. We have another biotech on our list, Adaptive Biotechnologies. Biotechs are full of potential, and Adaptive is one of them. In the short term, ADPT may get cheaper, but it has an exciting platform that is full of value as we look over the next decade. The company is using Microsoft's supercomputers to map the immune system of humanity. Adaptive can be a big fish in the market if it achieves what it is looking for, and that is to inform diagnostics and the discovery of new drugs to fight diseases. So far, the company has started 2022 on the stronger side. Adaptive has completed a strategic reorganization around two key business areas, including MRD and immune medicine. In the first quarter, the company increased its revenues to $38.6 million. That was a marginal increase of just 0.5% from last year. The best part is that Adaptive's clonoSCQ test volume increased 45% year-over-year during the quarter. The company has made several other positive developments that would help in the long term. Ending the quarter with cash and cash equivalents of $500 million, there can be a question of how long can it sustain its operations in the long term. But it looks good enough to make progress in the coming time. ADPT looks a decent buy under $10. Last stock under $10 on our list is Crescent Point Energy, having the ticker CPG. Crescent Point Energy is an oil exploration company that has oil and gas reserves in Western Canada and the United States. Considering how the oil market has exploded, and continues to have higher prices in the market, Crescent is looking good. CGP has already soared over 75% year to date, and we can expect the bullish momentum to continue with increasing oil and gas prices. With improving financial performance, the company has increased its quarterly dividend by over 40% to $0.065 per share. In the first quarter of 2022, Crescent was able to generate around $290 million of excess cash flow, which helped in debt reduction and return of capital. For the full year, the company now expects to generate an excess cash flow of $1.2 billion to $1.4 billion. For the first quarter, the net income was almost $1.2 billion. With everything in favor of the company, things are looking positive, and we can see the stock price pump in the coming months. Crescent has the same forecast, with annual average production guidance of 133,000 to 137,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. CPG seems to be a perfect buy at the moment. That was it from this video. We hope you'd have enjoyed it. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification button. You can also visit our website, stockstelegraph.com, for daily market updates.